The first thing that we are going to do is dump 1 cup of sand into our bowl. Now that we have 1 cup of sand in our bowl, we are going to put in a half a cup of salt. If you take a look, you'll notice that it is hard to determine where the salt is compared to the sand in our bowl. We are now going to add in iron fillings to our bowl. If you take a look, you can tell that it is easy to identify where exactly the iron fillings are in our bowl of sand. I'm going to mix these together, so the salt, the sand, and the iron fillings. And we are going to see if a magnet will help us remove the iron fillings from the bowl. Write down your observations for what you see happening here. Let's see if we can get out all the iron fillings from the bowl of sand. I think we got most of them. Take a look at the magnet and record your observations for what you see. If you take a look at our bowl of sand, you'll notice that there aren't many iron fillings left in it. I am now going to pour 200 milliliters of water into our sand and salt mixture. I'm going to stir it together. Now that our mixture is mixed, we are going to use a tool called a sieve to try and separate our mixture. Let's see how we do. You're writing down what you observe. And I just made a big mess. Write down your observations for how the sieve separated our mixture. What do you see here? What do you see left in our sieve? Here I took a baking pan and I poured the water into the baking pan. I am going to let this sit out for about 15 minutes to see if some of the water evaporates. After 10 minutes, do you notice any changes in the water level? Go ahead and write down your observations on your worksheet. Thinking about the magnet, the sieve, and evaporation, which tool worked better for separating mixtures?